Okay, so what's up everybody? Today, what we are actually going to be doing, I'm actually down. Let me explain the situation of why I'm sitting in a car first. I'm actually down here in Virginia Beach, basically on vacation. Saw a couple people now that have these, so I thought I'd put this out there because they all seem like they have the same inside lights. So I'm going to show you guys how I switched out for the LED lights. The only ones I didn't change, give you a little contrast, is this back one. As you can see, it's like a brownish tinted to it. And then you got the white ones. The white ones are LEDs, or like a daylight color. Okay, so it's pretty simple. I didn't switch the back one because every time I try to find a bulb, everybody doesn't have them, and they tell me to order it. And I'm a little lazy on ordering it, so I just left it go. But so to get to these two bulbs right here, so the bulb is gonna look like this. It's gonna be a little 194 168 bulb. You could use a screwdriver and get in behind it, get in beside the plastic and try to pry up on it. Try to pry up on it evenly though, because it is plastic, and if you do it in the cold, it'll try to probably crack. But honestly, the way I did it, I just used a knife. Don't stab yourself with it. You get in there, wedge it in between, and you pry it up. As you can see, it's lifting off. Take it on this side, pry it up, and then you go back, and you basically just go back and forth and keep prying it back and forth like that. Now if you can get it far enough to where you can grab it, like I can't grab it right now, wedge it back in there, get it out a little bit more, or it'll suck itself back in. So like right there, wedge it back in again, and you'll hear it click open. Basically one of the tabs clicked off, or you can push it back in. So there's one tab. Getting back behind there as far as you can go, that we can have more of a space leverage here. And there you go. And then you get the plastic piece off. You can see the little tabs on it. Maybe clean it off if you want. You got bugs or something in behind it. And then in here you'll have the one and the second one. Pull it out. Now these are just some lights I bought offline. These are the Philips lights I bought offline. So I mean, I do buy stuff offline, it's just I'm a little lazy at ordering it. We can even do a side-by-side comparison. This is the stock one. You're probably not going to be able to see it, but way on the bulb it looks like it says Toshiba. So we'll just slide it back in there. There you go. So there is the stock lights. That's what it looks like, a normal, like a warm colored light. And then I'll hit it with the LED. You can definitely see the color difference. Now these white ones are definitely a lot brighter. Of course, they're LEDs, you know, they take less power to make more light versus that, and they last longer. But basically all you have to do, pop that cover off, and like, let me show you. Grab the light bulb. It's a small light bulb, so grab onto that sucker, and you can save them. That's what I've been doing. I've just been saving it. Grab the other light, and sometimes when you put them in, you have to watch these tabs. Sometimes if you put them in backwards, they won't work. Let me see if I can try to do it. There you go, like that. Won't work, but that one will work. So you have to line them up. So put the long side on the back of the bulb, facing towards the windshield. And there you go. And then the reverse process is basically, once the two light bulbs are in, as you can see, there's one in there, one in there. Take the cover, flip it around, and you slide it back in. Push it in. Make sure they're still going. And that's it for that one. Now the back one, same process, except you could just pull it with your hands. And you'll pull the whole thing down. And be careful because it's still connected by a wire, but you can literally twist the whole prong around and you can just pull it out. It's on basically little tabs. You just basically pull on it, the whole thing will pop out. Spring it back to if you want, and that whole assembly will pop itself out. And then to put it back in, watch out for the connector on the back, make sure that's in first, slide the back in, push it up in there, and that's on. Now the license plate lights are going to be like the same concept as this. There's going to be 2 squares. They're going to take the 194, 168 bulbs as well. Same thing with the cargo light or trunk light, to just say it in simple terms. So that's pretty easy. It's literally all the same thing, except with the trunk light there's paint, so if you're going to use a knife, be careful. I would use a flathead screwdriver, because if you miss with a knife and you slide across the paint, obviously there's going to be an issue. I'm not trying to sound cocky or anything. I'm just saying that if you slip, even people with the most steady hands could slip, and then you just scratched a big chunk of paint off the back of your car. But besides that, it's pretty easy. So there's going to be 2 license plate lights, 2 inside lights, 1 in the trunk. So we got 5 lights. They're going to be 168, 194 LED bulbs. They'll fit in these, the license plate and the cargo light. And then this back bulb right here is a 6411. That will be the light bulb number for the dome light. So, like I said, it's super easy. Just wanted to shoot a video out there for you guys. Any of the people with Sonics that are trying to do the LED swaps, and most cars in general are pretty much set up the same way. You know, you just pop out that, or the center one. That center one actually comes out super easy. It literally just pops open. I mean, you saw I just grabbed it and pulled it down and it popped itself off. So that's pretty cool. You could also, if you were really into it, you could probably work your way around hollowing out the back of the headliner and actually make lights like how they do it with the Rolls Royce, how they make the installation or the constellation of the stars in the headliner. It's pretty much how they go off of that. But that's pretty much it, you guys. Honestly, super easy video. Just wanted to throw a video out there while I'm down here in Virginia Beach. I've been seeing a lot of nice cars down here too, so, and it must be a thing down here because a lot of the people with the plates, like their license plates, a lot of them have custom plates down here. And I'm from PA, so I'm just like, wow, it's like rare that you'll see those up in PA, but down here it's like so many people have the custom license plates. It's crazy. So that's kind of cool too. And there's some nice cars down here as well. Like the ratio from like normal cars to like nice cars is like, you probably have like 25% of the cars around here are pretty nice, versus like 5%, something like that. I mean, that's probably a little bit of a bold percentage rating, but just thought I'd throw it out there. But yep, that's gonna be the video for today, you guys. I'll probably drop another video too when I'm down in South Carolina at Myrtle Beach. I'll be leaving here tonight around 3-4 a.m. heading down to Myrtle Beach. Then I'll be down there for the next couple days. Maybe I'll drop another video down there, depends, I don't know. But that's gonna be it for today, you guys. Hopefully the video wasn't too long for just showing you guys how to switch out the light bulbs. If you have any questions, go ahead, like normal, drop it down in the comment section. If you did like this video or think it was useful in any way, go ahead and leave a like. And also subscribe to the channel for future videos. I'll be doing some future videos as well. And like always, if you can, share the content on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff. Try to grow the channel. We're at 181 subscribers right now, so that's pretty cool. I mean, I didn't even expect it to get to that, but so obviously we're doing something right, you guys. Also, unfortunately, I did not bring the scooter down here. I know it'd be fun as hell to bring it down here, especially down in Myrtle Beach. But maybe in the future, we could do something like that. But that's going to be it for today, guys. Like always, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys have a nice day. See you guys.